Hi, my name is ILENE from Pounding Pavement 101. I am here with one of my favorite superstar clients, David Flair. David, thank you so much for being here today.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. This is incredible. I couldn't have done this without you.
I love seeing you smile. Let's tell everyone a little bit of the backstory, okay? Because a year ago,
Yes.
You were referred to me by your mother to help you find a job.
Yes. Yes. So kind of going back in time a little bit, I was furloughed due to coronavirus, took a bit of a leave, and then I came to ILENE to help me look for my dream job a year ago. And she helped me find it, evidently. And then again, unfortunately, I was laid off due to off-season transition. So first thing that came to mind was going to ILENE again for the similar thing. And 2 months later, she helped me find my dream job yet again as a content creator involved in the aftermarket automotive industry.
Absolutely incredible. I got the email. Actually, I think I was on a Zoom call and I think everyone saw my face go, I was so excited. And I'm so glad that you came back to me for kind of a refresher, because we had to update the resume. We went over interview preparation again. And, part of the job search strategies program is also accountability, because it's a lonely process going through that job search, by yourself. So how was this whole process the second time around?
I would think it was a lot easier, definitely much more streamlined, having been through the similar experience before. It was just sort of a little bit of tweaking here and there just to kind of update everything to make it look even better than it was. I had a little bit more experience going into this the second time. So, looking for jobs and getting seen and getting interviews was a little bit easier. But again, I couldn't have done it without ILENE's guidance and instruction, keeping me honest, making sure that I was pounding pavement and didn't let up, didn't take my foot off the throttle. So it definitely was a relief, having it be not quite as long as the first time, for sure.
We had this working on all cylinders and turbocharged. See, I'm putting it in all car terms. Turbocharged your job search. I am so thrilled for you. Look at the smile on your face. It kind of tells the whole story, which is why I wanted to do this today and do this recording. Let me ask you, for all the people out there who are watching this video, what advice do you have for them?
Just keep going, stay persistent, keep your eye on the prize, have a goal in mind. So that way you stay motivated. And, I'd be lying if I said that I was motivated the whole way through. There were definitely the lulls, and there were just, maybe take a break here and there, but, make sure, again, you have your eye on the prize, you keep your goals set, and that way you just keep on going, you stay persistent, because eventually you will have a breakthrough. If I can go through it twice, you can too.
You know what? It was twice in 1 year. Pounding Pavement 101 program. It worked for you. Worked twice.
It's 100% success rate. 2 for 2.
There you go.
2 for 2.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this, David. I appreciate it. And good luck in your new job.
Thank you again, ILENE. I couldn't have done it without you. And I hope everyone gets through the same experience as me.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.